Hello guys, we are on the boat. We just got done tubing, which was super fun.
Oh yeah, no, it's 4.9.
And
oh wait,
look
yeah,
at this. It's so pretty around here. Say hi, Edie. Hi. Okay, we're gonna get out for you guys.
Cooler, oh sorry.
Oh, the cooler's open. Ah. All right, I'm gonna get a better look.
Hey, grab your sandals and get out.
Okay. Oh, I don't need sandals.
It's slippery rocks, and if you're going up there, you're going to need sandals because it's thorns and briars.
Well, I'm not going to go up there.
Hey, Mama, come on.
Okay.
Jump out.
Okay. You need to get the tube. Okay. That's our little minnow fishing boat. I'm going to try not to drop you guys. It is. It's nice. So pretty. Maybe we can see an animal. I'll move over so Chubby Monkey can get out.
He's out.
I got you. Okay. Go ahead. And then this is just. Do you want to ride? Do you want an escort from the tube?
This is gonna be.
Let me see here if we can get a better
I'm wondering
thing.
if I'm better off going this way.
Edie, get the tube. Edie's gonna get the tube and then we're gonna float you over there, okay? So just stand here for a second. Look at this view, look at this. It's so pretty, the water is so pretty. The sun is reflecting off of it and it is just so, they're abandoning us. I guess I could try and see if I can get over, Chubby Monkey's gonna try and get over. We want on.
It's a lot deeper than it appears.
Really? Careful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well let's get Edie over here with the tube and. Hi, I'm getting the boat ready. He's gonna get that ready for us. So yeah. Look, somebody's tubing. Is that a tube? No. Where's the boat with the tube? Oh yeah. Tubing. Awesome. Oh, it's so, these rocks are like really slippery. Okay. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Isn't there like a pause button on here or something where we can like... As you can see, it's very sunny outside. Ah, Edie's coming around with the tube. Edie! Okay, while she's coming, look at this. It's just so pretty around here. Anyways, so yeah, we're on an island at the moment. Really pretty around here, that's for sure.
this way.
Edie Express will come. You need a ride too? I don't need one, but Mom does.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
You want to ride?
Okay, get off, Edie.
Oh, bye. All right. I can't go pee here. This is not going to work.